Yes, it is that early. And your boy is tired because we had a late game last night and ended at 11. Got home around like 11:30. Showered, went to bed, and right back up just like that. Right now I'm whispering because of course everybody's asleep. So now I just gotta tiptoe out of the crib, do a couple sessions, and then come right back.
Cool. Am I good? Am I live?
You're live. Check you out.
What day is it? Thursday, December 6th. Alright, ready? What's up, guys? It is Thursday, December 6th, 2018. About 12:13 p.m. We're here at Panera Bread. Just finishing up a meeting about some stuff coming in 2019. Community, collaboration, all that jazz. Have a wonderful day.
Which is like a night
All right, so wrapped up that meeting. Today is just strictly a day full of meetings. About to go and head into 2 more, and yeah, wrap up my day. It's really cold out here, and I ain't trying to be out here that long, freezing my butt off. All right, so these 2 meetings are confidential, so I'm going to just shut the camera off now and let you know all about it after it's done. All right, so wrapped up the final meeting for today, and now I'm going to head home, pack it up, and just document the notes that I left these meetings with, and just keep it fresh in my mind. All right, let's go. All right, so making it home, and just wanted to end the video with this quick little note. All right, some takeaways from today. All right, the takeaway is kill your ego and continue to collaborate and build communities, because epicness tends to happen when you do that. All right, so stay on the grind, my friends. Till the next time.